What's up, YouTube? Wesley McMorris here. How's it going?
Watching No Hartley's channel.
Yeah, you can see other cool videos on my channel Wesley McMorris. We are gonna jump the RC. This is part 3, and I am gonna be under here for you so you can get the slow-mo action. All right, Vincent here will be doing the countdown from 3, 2, 1, and I will be under here.
How about I land?
Hoping I do not die.
I'll land. Wes, I will.
All right.
Wait, lower the, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry, mishap.
Sorry, guys, that was a fail. He'll get it this time.
It's a Wes, can I land?
No.
It's just a little bit powerful. That almost hit
Another
me.
miss.
Third time's the charm. Not everybody says at least.
All right. Whoa! Don't hit the camera.
Hit the camera.
Oh, yeah! All right, this time we're going to lay it down there by itself. And we'll show you how it turns out later. All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, sorry guys,
Sorry, missed. All right, here we go for real.
Yeah, that's just another mishap. All of our voices are going to be
Right.
in slow-mo.
3, 2. Right.
Peace out. Bye.
Peace out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Later, says RC.